everyone, ZedRunner DIY detailer here. Hope you're keeping well. Second micro video for you. So now we're going to look at the gear shift up indicator light on the Z1000SX. This is my fabulous 2018 model. I think it applies 17, 18, 19 model years, potentially the model year before. But there's a little flashing orange light that sometimes catches your eye. You may not know what it is. You know, just jump on it and ride and just go for it. And every once in a while, what's wrong with my bike? The dashboard's flashing. It'll look like this. So just there is your shift up indicator light flashing orange. Keeps catching your eyes and it's irritating. When you get the bike new, it's set at 5,000 RPM, partly for being nice to the bike. So I'm going to show you now how to change that. So let's get the bike ignition on. To change the shift up light position from the 5,000, you can either disable it completely or you can increase it in increments all the way up to the 11,000 red line, then it will start again, it will cycle around. So it's not obvious. The manual does tell you how to do it, but I quite like watching videos that learn how to do a few bits and bobs like this. So to get into adjustment mode, press and hold the two buttons, adjustment buttons, and you'll see the hours and minutes on the clock start flashing. Okay, now press and hold the top button until the gear shift indicator light comes on. There it goes. So now at 5,000 RPM this light has an absolute hissy fit at me and wants me to change up, and that's fine. To come back out of this, press and hold both buttons again. So when you're done, press and hold both buttons. So let's get back in. So press and hold both buttons until the hour and minute starts flashing. Press and hold the top button. And we're back into the gear shift up selection mode. Now we can increase that by pressing the bottom button now, and you can see the rev counter needles going up. You can keep just pressing it once and once and once. It'll go all the way up to 11,000. There's a quicker way, I'll show you in a second. And now when you get to here, how to go backwards, you just press again and it'll start at 5,000. If you press and hold it, it will crank all the way around for you, nice and easy. So let's just stick it there wherever like. To accept it, done. Press both to accept. Let's go and have a look at that new setting, make sure it's in there. So I pressed both until the clock starts flashing. Press and hold the top one to get into the shift up light, and you can see the new setting has been accepted. So if we don't want the light on at all, if we don't want to use the shift up light at all, while it's in this adjustment mode, if you just press the top button once, it'll switch off the flashing light and it'll no longer bother you and catch your eye when you're trying to just make some maximum progress. Back on again, press it again and it's there. Come back out and save our settings, hold both buttons, and we're done. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.